Let me start by saying that my first challenge was cricket. I was 9 years old when I decided to become a test cricketer. I watched my older cousin Javed Barki scoring a century at what should not be called Gaddafi Stadium now. And I remember I made up my mind that I would be a test cricketer. Now, I never after that did I ever think that there was any possibility that I would not become a test cricketer. It was only a question of when. So, along the way, there were a lot of problems which I hadn't foreseen at the time when I decided to become a test cricketer. But the thing about achieving the impossible is, it's a question of handling the bad times. Because whenever you have a big goal,